G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 3 Tranquility Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Riverheads. As usual, plenty to take in. Let's go take a look around. This lovely home is enviably set on a large 2007 square metre allotment in a quiet court within the popular Riverheads estate of Turtle Cove. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the Riverheads boat ramp and ferry services to World Heritage listed K'gari, Fraser Island. You can launch your boat and access the Great Sandy Straits, the Mary and Susan Rivers, which are all a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. All that, and you have the convenience of being only minutes away from local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bay's thriving CBD with essential amenities, including the airport, shopping centres, schools, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This quality GJ Gardner home, completed in 2017, is really a statement of style. From the moment you walk in, you will be captivated by this home's striking details, including plantation shutters that flaunt classic design and style with a flowing indoor-outdoor floor plan. Coupled with large windows, neutral colour tones, this lovely home offers open and connected spaces that allow light and air to flow naturally throughout. The stylish modern kitchen does form the heart of this home and features a large island preparation bench with a breakfast bar, plus loads of storage space and a pantry. Quality appliances include a 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, a wall oven and a dishwasher. Plus you also have plumbing provision for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers. The vast open plan dining and living area seamlessly connects with that expansive outdoor entertaining area all under the main roof, plus there is an extended alfresco area under a large waterproof shade sail. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while entertaining with family and friends. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The large main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with a double basin vanity, a shower and a toilet, and you've also got direct access out to the outdoor entertaining area. The bathroom includes a screenless shower, a sumptuous bath, a vanity and you've got a separate toilet. The laundry includes loads of linen storage and has direct access outside to the clothesline. An exposed aggregate driveway leads up to the oversized double garage, which provides vehicle accommodation with a remote controlled panel lift door, and it offers direct internal access into the home. You'll also note the concrete path that wraps around the entire perimeter of this home. But wait, there's more. You've also got clear side access to that approximate 11.5 by 9 metre triple bay shed. You'll note the high 3.3 metre drive-through vehicle port on one side and the 2 3.1 metre entry doors to the main shed, which also has power connected with 15 amp power sockets, built-in workbenches, and there's even gas hot water for the shower plus a toilet and wash basin. This property also offers ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats, and you could easily add a pool if desired. Those with a green thumb will appreciate the beautiful established tropical gardens, and there's even a greenhouse and potting area to the side of the shed with a 23,000 litre rainwater tank, and you've even got a large garden shed and shelter to house your box trailer. The energy conscious will appreciate the solar hot water service as well. Homes offering these features in this location and price point are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.